po sa inyong lahat. Ito po once again si Brian Villarosa of brianvillarosa.com and Invest and Earn PH YouTube channel. And today, ito po yung share ko na strategy kung kayo po ay biglang nag-surge sa inyong stocks or biglang tumaas po yung inyong biniling stock. So, in order to realize your gains, kasi sa ganito, digital or paper gains pa lang ito eh. So, I want you to experience also kung gusto niyo pong ma-actualize na talaga yung earnings ninyo, ano po yung mangyayari. Pero if katulad po kayo sa akin, nagtatrabaho, minsan wala po tayong time na gumawa ng transaction online. So kasi yung story po nito sa KPPI or sa KepWealth, na I was curious last Monday, so it was August 19, no? And ito kasi ay nag-IPO nung 16, itong nag-trade sa COL. At nung 19, bigla itong nag-surge. So, na-curious po ako. Binenta ko lahat ng shares ko sa Jollibee at binili ko po nung 19. Pagdating po ng 20, paggising ko ng umaga, I was checking during a meeting sa Iloilo kasi meron kaming nagtatrabaho po ako sa isang software firm na nag-install kami sa mga hospital systems. So, yung pangalan po is Highbrain or Medtrix, no? Highbrain Medtrix. Kami po ay local developer. So habang nagmi-meeting po kami or habang nagbi-break po kami sa meeting, tiningnan ko po at bigla pong nagkaroon ng surge or malaking pag-akyat ng stock sa KepWealth. So ito po as you have seen in my previous video, this is the first IPO of this year, 2019. And then so yung advice ko po para po ma-realize niyo kasi hindi natin alam kung sa bukas, kasi holiday ngayon, Thursday, will it go up or will it go down? Kasi yung tendency minsan, pag sobrang surge, pagtaas, biglang mababa yan next day. So, mag-red naman po ito. Ano po ba yung advice? For me, my advice is actualize your gain by selling some parts or a portion of your sale, of your shares, no? So, how to do that, especially ngayon, holiday or kayo minsan busy kayo sa trabaho, busy tayo sa trabaho, wala tayong time gumawa ng trade during the office hours. So what I advise you to do is go to offline order. So tingnan natin kung gagana po ito. So just go to the tab called trade and then hover and go to OH order, which means OH order. And then you have two options, buy or sell, no? So, syempre, since we have the stock and we want to actualize our gains, we have to click the sell transaction and the term is between the two. ATO means, I think it's at the opening and then ATC is at the closing. So, ibig sabihin ng at the opening, pagbukas pa lang, you will expose your stocks at a certain amount that you chose and of course the number of shares. So, kung ilan po yung na-determine mo na price, i-expose po yan sa market kung may bibili. And then ATC is at the closing price. Sabi ng COL, you are entering an ATC order. Your order will be sent during market runoff with the price equivalent to the closing price of the stock. So, kayo naman po, kung wala kayong time by that day, kunwari bukas, kung ano po yung closing price sa bukas or sa araw na yon na determine niyo, yan po yung automatically ipa-price ni COL sa stocks niyo. So kunwari sa KPPI, since I have this share, by the way, I'm just a speculative investor for educational purposes. So napaka-konti lang po talaga ng stocks ko. So it's just around this amount, no? So I have KepWealth stocks and as you can see, here's the latest. I gained almost 50% yesterday. So para po ma-actualize, as I've said, is you have to choose to sell a portion lang. I advise a portion lang kasi pag tumaas naman siya tomorrow, so at least you can fly along the growth, no? So depende po sa inyo kung ilang percent ang ibebenta ninyo. Pero let's say 80%, no? Para ma-actualize nyo yung 80% na yon. So as you can see, you have to see your portfolio. By the way, hindi natin nakita kanina, but my shares are for a while. I have 2,600 uncommitted shares. So, just go to OH order. And let's say, I will sell 80% lang of my shares, no? 2,600, 2,600 times 80%. is 2,080. Okay, so KPPI, since na yung board lot, ito, yung board lot is yung dividends or yung divisors lang na pwede mong mabenta. So, hindi pwede yung 2,080. It's either 2,000 or 2,100. So, let's say I will just choose 2,000. And then, let's see kung gumagana po yung offline hours order. Alright, so yes. So, ito po yung offline hours order kung saan pagbukas po ng market ng stock market bukas sa Philippine Stock Exchange, i-expose po itong stocks ko, KPPI, at this amount, and of course, the total charges. So, ma-actualize ko po yung gain ko. So, enter your password, place order. I advise you to use LastPass para hindi na po kayo continually remind yourself. Minsan nalilimutan nyo po yung password. So, click place order. Your ATC off hours order has been recorded. Please see off hours view order section to verify that your off hours order has been accepted. So successful po tayo sa pagpasok nito sa off hours, no? It's at the closing yung napili ko. But if you want at the opening, pwede rin kasi pagbukas mismo i-expose na po 'yan. Alright? So in order to view it, makita niyo po dito sa view or modify orders. So ito po ay isang ATC at the closing. What if I change my mind? So go to cancel and then cancel order and then you're good to go again. So go again to trade, offline orders, sell, and at the opening, KPPI, and then 2,000 shares at the price of, kasi dito makikita nyo yung bid, meaning gustong mga bumili. So 0 po yung gustong magbenta. So I think this was the record for today, no? Or yesterday before the closing end. So, nung nag-close po yung stock market, ito po yung last traded price, 12.2. So the buyer shares. So, sa feeling nyo, kung pagbukas ng stock market bukas, ganun pa rin yung price, gusto mong i-actualize yung gain at these prices, 12.2, gusto nyo ma-realize yung 80% gains nyo. So, just go determine that price, review it, ATO, at the opening, number of shares, 12.2, ito po yung gross amount. Ito po yung kumaga na i-realize nyo na yung gains. Ito lang po yung charges, yung VAT, yung commission ni COL, at yung charge ng Philippine Stock Exchange, the S-tax charge. I don't know what's S-tax charge. Let me Google. And meron ding SCCP charge. So, S-tax charge is S-tax. Sales tax, no? It's a sales tax charge. And SCCP charge. So, total of 218. Ito lang po yung liabilities or expenses nyo. And ito na po yung gains. Right? So, if you want to actualize, then you are successful to enter it at the off-hours market. So, pagbukas, tingnan natin kung bibilhin ba yan. Kasi usually, if you look at IPOs, for example, let's see Double Dragon. Na-remember ko noon, I was still in college. Sorry. Ito po yung nangyayari sa mga IPO, no? It was last. Yan. Ito po, I think last. Yan. April 20. Anong year ba to? 14. Yes, 2014. Bigla po siyang tumaas. And then, nag-plateau. So, tuloy-tuloy na rin po yung pagtaas ni Double Dragon. Yan. Hanggang sa may times na bumaba siya, and then na rin siya, downward trend, and then babalik na naman sa upward. So medyo matagal na yung waiting times mo. So dito naman sa mga times na to, depende po sa inyo kung ano po yung strategy rin ninyo. So tingnan po natin yung KPPI kung nandito na. Think ito pa lang siya, no? Just in 2 days, hindi natin alam kung what will happen next sa bukas, sa Thursday. Alright, thank you very much. For more information, please don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel or visit my website for more tips on financial investments and real estate, brianvillarosa.com. God bless you everyone, John 3:16 and Titus 3:5. Salamat!